Hey there, I wanted to talk to you about something I've been working on to sharpen clipper blades that have a hollow grind. And typically, these clipper blades are sharpened with a disc. That disc has a very slight bevel to it that makes it higher in the center and a little bit lower on the center. And so when you do that, when you put the clipper blade on to that disc and you're sharpening it, imagine cutting a disc in profile that will result in a very, very slight hollow grind on these clipper blades. There's nothing secret or magical about that. When I started looking into this, I was like, well, these discs are pretty expensive. They're pretty, you have to condition them, put diamond dust on them. You have to get them reconditioned after 500 or 1,000 blades. So there's quite a bit of expense to kind of do this aluminum wheel setup. And I was kind of frustrated by that and started thinking about it and did some fancy math to figure out, well, what is the arc or the radius that results in the hollow grind for this. And then I figured, okay, well, I want to build a platen that has that same radius so that I can sharpen clipper blades on my belt sander. And so what I did was started going down that road, and I had a prototype built. This is the first prototype, and it's hardened tool steel. And unfortunately, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the hardening process, we weren't able to keep the radius. We weren't able to preserve the radius. So decided that, well, maybe hardening's not necessary. Maybe I can put some of that anti-slip tape on softer steel. And so that was version 1 of this. The second version this is not hardened steel, but it is machined very precisely. And so you can't really see it with a naked eye, but if you take, I'll try and show it to you. If I take a parallel and put it on here, you can see there's a very, very slight curve, and I'll try to make a picture of it so that you're able to see it. So now I've got a platen that matches the hollow grind that I would need in order to achieve the appropriate hollow grind for a clipper blade. I think this will make it a lot faster to sharpen and make it a lot more accessible for people to sharpen clipper blades. I have yet to go and test it and see if it actually works, and if we are able to actually match the hollow grind that we get from a disc using a platen. But if we can, it'll be I think a big step forward for clipper sharpeners, which sounds kind of funny, but that's what I've been up to. So stay tuned for more. I'll post as I learn more and do some experiments with this.